All right, y'all. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to measure guide spacing using only a ruler. Should be a real quick video, and as you can see, you don't really need anything. All you need, I just have this for the reference because I know I have a 6'6" rod, ruler, and a China marker or wax marker to mark it. If you order the rod eye kits from Custom Rod Building, it's nice because, as you can see, it just comes with everything, measurements on the back. But if you have a different size rod, I can put this for a sec if you want to screenshot it or write it down. So yeah, let's get into it. I've seen a lot of people use like a real long ruler. That's also an easy way just to lay down on a bench, but my work bench isn't long enough and I don't want to put it on the kitchen table. So figured out a real easy way using just a little ruler. Take this little cover off the tip. And like I said, I have a 6'6" rod, so I'll be using this first column. And then one quick thing before we get into it, you want to draw the line where the center of the eye is going to be. So for example, on this bigger one with 2 feet, you're going to draw it in line. You'll draw the line here where you want the center of the eye to be. And if it's on like a smaller one, so I can get one to lay flat. Like one of these over here, you would draw it up at the front because you want it to go where the line is, where the eye is. Anyway, so our first measurement, and this is all from the tip, is 2 1/8 inch from the tip. So lay the ruler down. Get it exact. 2 1/8. 2 1/8. Next one from the tip. 4 5/8. 4 4/8. All right, 4 5/8. Next one, 7 1/2. 7 1/2. 10 3/4. And just make sure it hasn't moved. 10 3/4. Now, this is where it doesn't get tricky, but just where you want to pay attention. So we got 10 3/4. So now I'm gonna explain it. It's not gonna make sense. I'm gonna do it and it'll make sense. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide the ruler until 1 is right here. And I just know that we'll pretend the 1 is 10, or the beginning of the ruler is 10. So I know it probably doesn't make sense, but I'll show you what I mean. So we're at 10 3/8. So we're gonna put this, not 3/8, 3/4, my bad. We're gonna put that on 3/4. Get back in the camera. And pretend like this is 10. So we got 10. So let's see. Our next one is 14 1/2. So 10 3/4. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 1/2. Mark it. Pull everything down. Put that at a half. Pretend this is 14. Our next one is 18 7/8. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 is 18 and 7/8. And then can I go to 23? 4, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yes, okay. So 4 is 18, slide it down. Put it back on 7/8. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 and 7/8. Oops, I don't remember what number that was. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 9. 9 is 23. And 7/8. So we go 9, 7/8. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop right there. It goes all the way to obviously 42 inches. But it's just the same thing over and over, and I don't want to waste y'all's time. So real quick one today. In the next video, we'll be going over how to, I'll go over how to actually start wrapping on the eyes. So that'll be a fun one. All right, I'll see y'all next time.